Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. 6th class chapter 1, reading of maps and different kinds. The world in which we live is so full of varieties. Mountains, hills, mountains, hills, sea coasts, deserts, forests, snow covered with region. Why is there so much of a variety? How does this affect lives of the people who live in these parts? To study the understand these questions, we need to take place of maps of different kind. Some maps tells us how low places are. Some tells about that how much it rains there or how much hot and cold it gets there. Some tell us about the crops and grow. They are kinds of the forests they are. By studying them you can know that much about the place. And finally, by studying them you can know that much about the place. As you heard that evergreen forest in the western gates of Karnataka. The most important reminding in the topic is evergreen forests in western gates in Karnataka and Kokana Beach in Brazil of South Africa. And third is oasis in the Sahara deserts in the Libya in Africa. Ice covered with continent of Antarctica. Bring the copies of school atlas and see how many different kinds of maps are there. Make a list of maps you should be like to read and understand. Last year you are the learn about that to read someone simple maps. This year you learn to read maps which shows heights. But let us find the revised what you learned about the last year. Hang over a wall map in Indian in your classroom. Look at the map carefully and answer the following answer. Meher wants to Bhopal from Hyderabad. In which direction should she travel? Ashok went to Chennai from Lucknow. In which direction did you travel? And third question, Regina went to Bhubaneswar from Mumbai. In which direction did you travel? And Vepanchu went to Jaipur to Kohima. In which direction did you travel? Make some more questions to ask your others. Look at the symbols on a map. Now try to find out the boundary of the Andhra Pradesh. Trace your fingers and entire length of the boundary. Draw the symbols of the boundary of the state and symbols of the boundary of the India international boundaries in your textbook. And can you make a list of states with the lies of the north, south, west of Andhra Pradesh? Which lies to east or the state? In your 6th standard, you are the learn about measures distance between the places with help of the scale given in the map. Now try to find out the distance between the Hyderabad to various capitals like Jaipur, Impal, Gandhinagar and Thiruvananthapuram. And most important point is symbols. Symbols are located point, line, area. We use the symbols to show a physical object on a map. The important word is we use the symbols to show a physical object on the map. You seen in the class of the 6th. You are asked to show Delhi in a map. You will be mark a point dotted and label as a Delhi. To show a river and Manjira, you draw the line as like the river float along the curve. For that, road line value will be tracked. Present in Andhra Pradesh map, you want to area of Medak or Hyderabad district. You discriminates in the boundaries marks with some color or pattern, which known as real symbols. Thus, a physical objects are shown on a map with help of the point or a line or area symbol. Look at the maps later chapter in this book and list out that given map in the following table. And point symbols, that especially symbols are three types, and the first one is point symbol, line symbol, area symbol. Point symbol when we see the see in the temple, and line symbol also river, and area symbol is playground. And in other words, physical maps, you will be find out that map in a atlas is called physical map. In those, you will usually find different parts of land color, and the green, yellow or brown actually they shows the variety of the landforms, plains, mountains, plateaus, and depth of the heights of the places. How can we recept heights of a land flat paper? Of course, you can be see drawing the like a below. As you seen in the picture on a map, not a map. Here the height of the hills hide with the behind them. A map has to show the places with hiding them. Can you think of that in which you can be draw of this place? One way you should be can show heights of the map throughout use of the color. Let you see then. Measuring of heighting of a land. All heights on a land are collected from the sea level. Especially remind the question ma, all heights of a land are calculated from the sea level. Since all the seas in the world are connected with each other, the sea level top of the surface all over world taken to be roughly the same. Look at the picture in Nimmapur village is below in this area. You can see the picture of Nimmapur village in 50 meters above the sea value. How many meters have sea level in the temple? How many meters have been sea in the top of the hill? Here in the picture cleanly observe that and showing height on a map. Another most important topic is showing height on a map. Look at the map of the Nimmapur area given figure here. Can you see that map show the three height zones in the map, and first area which has between to 0 to 50, and areas which are between to 51 meters to 100 meters, and finally areas which between 101 meters to 150 meters. Thus any place which fall any height zone 51 to 100 meters will be have height which has above the 50 meters but below the 100 meters. Heights are shown in different shades of colors. Now look the map of the Andhra Pradesh, your atlas or wall map. Find out the range of the heights of the color and places are given, reading index and the following. And most important topic in this lesson, contour lines. Contour lines are joining places with equal height. One of the map of Nimmapur you have been seen. They are the line passing through the villages. This is 50 meters on the contour line. All places on this line would have the same height of the 50 meters. Contour lines will be irregular shape depending upon the landform. These cannot cut with each other. The distance between the contour lines will depends upon the land pace. If the land has steep climb, then contour lines will be near to each other. If your slope of the land will be gentle, the contour lines will be the quiet for each other. Uses of maps showing height. Especially the maps helps to understand the nature of criteria, where the mountains are, where the valleys are, etc. If you look at the map, physical map of Andhra Pradesh, you can be identify the coastal plains and run along the coast of Bay of Bengal. You travel the western ghats from the coast, you will reach the hill from the escarpments to plateau region. The plateau region itself cut many rivers like Krishna and Godavari which from the deep of the board valleys. Map showing heights is very essential. Roads or dams have been constructed. If you the lay loads in the undulating region between the two places such as help to the deciding the route take by the road. Similarly, dams or planned it necessary know about that land will be submerged by the water dam. Mean sea level, especially their high tides and low tides of the level of the sea, they never stand still. As a result of this phenomena, the level of sea keeps either rising or falling. Which of these heights do you take to as sea level 0 or height? In order to solve this problem, the level of the sea is carefully measured at frequent intervals and mean level of the sea is calculated. Over a period of a time, scientists observed high and low levels of the sea. They have been come on to calculate average, then it is called mean sea level. And finally, thank you lesson. Improve your the learning. And these questions are connected in this lesson. You can be